So the learning objective for this lesson is going to be by the end, you will be able to recognize coins and identify their value. Sometimes, even still now, I get dimes and nickels mixed up. You know, they're both silver, but they are different sizes, so there's ways to realize the difference between them, their value and size. All right? And I have some of the lesson in Spanish, so they can look up here too. So will you just show them? Okay. Eva.
She doesn't have to read it.
Oh, okay. Oh,
I know.
she does? Okay. All right, so you don't need to speak it in Spanish, but that's very good. It's good practice. All right, my expectations for this lesson are to have your listening ears. I want your eyes up here, and I want you to raise your hand if you need to speak or ask a question, okay? All things you already know. All right, coins in the U.S., coins that we use here. So, can somebody tell me what this coin is? Yes.
Quarter.
Very good. It's a quarter. Can somebody tell me what this coin is? Yes. This, a $10 bill?
No.
So these are coins. Keyword coins. So a dollar bill would be like the paper that we use. That's a bill. Okay? These are coins. Can somebody, yes?
That's a big.
This is a nickel. Very good.
It's
5 cents. So you said $5 bill. So you were on the right track, but this is a coin, not a bill, but it's 5 cents, not $5. Okay? So dollars are the green papers we get. Okay, these are cents. Okay, can somebody tell me what this coin is? Yes. A dime. Can you tell me how much a dime is, what the value is? Yes, very good. All right, so we have a dime here. This one should be easy because it's the only coin that has a different color, right? It's a copper color. What is it? It's a penny. And what's the value of a penny? 1 cent. Very good. So we have our penny. Very good, guys. All right. All right, let's access some prior knowledge. So I'm going to ask you some questions. I want you to raise your hand when you want to answer the questions. First question, what did you notice about the size and color of the different coins? Yes. Some are big and some are small. And there's only one that's a different color. And what coin was that? The penny. Very good. And what was its value? 1 cent. Does size always match their value? So we have a nickel, that's 5 cents. And the nickel was bigger than the dime, which is 10 cents.
Yes. Oh,
So the dime is smaller than the nickel, but the nickel is worth less. The dime is worth more and it's smaller. So it doesn't always, the size doesn't always match its value. Next question, if you give a nickel and a penny, how much money do you have? Yes.
A nickel and a penny makes 6 cents.
Very good. A nickel and a penny make 6 cents because a nickel is worth 5 cents and a penny is worth 1. Good job. All right. Where have you seen people use coins in real life? For example, we said vending machines, parking meters. Yes. when you buy something, where would you buy something that you would have to use coins? Do you go to the dollar store? I love the dollar store. So you use coins there, right? Yeah. Publix,
Like Walmart.
Yep.
Like
Walmart.
when you pay and they pay back,
They give you change back. Very good. Yes.
When you go to Aldi and then you want a cart, you have to put it.
Oh, that's a good one. So when you go to Aldi's and you have to get a grocery cart and you put the quarter in, very good. Anybody else? One more? Is that what you were gonna say? Go ahead. Aldi's. Okay, that's a good one. All right. Which coin has the highest value? Yes. The quarter. And what is its value? 25 cents. Which one has the lowest value? Yes.
Penny.
The penny. And what's its value?
1 cent.
1 cent. Very good. All right, so now we're gonna hear, it's called the money song. It's just fun. It'll kind of give you a refresher and a review of coins, okay? And I think you'll know the guy that does it. He's pretty, oh wait, let's go over key terms first, sorry.
I know who does it.
All right, so we said this is a what?
Quarter.
That's a quarter. And its value is 25 cents. All right, we said this is a what? A dime. And it's 10 cents. Then we have a what? A nickel. And it's 5 cents. And then we have a and it's 1 cent. Very good. Have you heard it before? All right, so sing it if you know it. Money, money, how to count it? Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. What do you say? What is it?
5 cents. 10 cents.
How much is a quarter? Very good. 1 cent. 5 cents. 10 cents. 25 cents. Good job. Money in my pocket. Oh, it does? Well, we gotta move on. That was good though. I'm glad you guys knew that. All right, very good. So what's one thing that we learned from that video? It's very repetitive, which means it keeps saying it over and over. Yes.
That it said that each of them have like a number of cents.
It has a value, right? That's what it's called. It's a value. Very good. All right, so here are some items I have here on the board. So we have a pencil, we have an eraser, and we have a lollipop. So I need help. I need help to figure out what coins I'm going to use to purchase these items. So first let's do the pencil. The pencil is 35 cents. So by raise of hand, who would like to help me figure out what coins I'm going to use? Yes. And a 25 cent is called a what? Wait, just, she's answering, okay? So let her just answer. Whoops. Oh, thank you. Okay, so we're gonna use a what? A quarter and a dime. Very good. So a quarter is 25 cents. Plus a dime, 10 more is 35 cents. Okay, now we have an eraser. And they said it's 27 cents. So what coins am I gonna use? Yes. The quarter, which is how much?
25 cents.
Okay. Take your time. The penny and how many pennies?
2.
Very good. 2, because it's worth how much each?
27. 1.
But how much is a penny worth? One, so you need two of them. Very good.
Two each, because 25 and you add two.
And you add two.
equals 26.
Exactly, very good.
27 cents.
All right, so now we're gonna go by the lollipop, which is 15 cents. So what coins am I gonna use?
10 cents.
Which is a what? Which is how much? 5 cents. So we're gonna use a dime and a nickel. So 10 cents plus 5 cents is 15 cents.
Wait, it was 15.
All right, now I'm gonna give you each a bag of coins. And I'm gonna need these at the end, okay? We're gonna get started. Sit down. All right, so I'm gonna put an amount on the board, and I need you to figure out what coins to use to get that amount, okay? So let's see, the first amount is 40 cents. So let me see, 40 cents.
25.
And then I'm gonna call on somebody to tell me what coins they used to get to 40 cents.
Now I need a 5.
Remember the value of the coin.
This is
I don't know. All right, let's see. You have 25, 35, 40. High five. All right, let's see. 25, 35, 40. Awesome job. Let's see what you have. This is it? You have, quiet please. 52 cents. 52 cents. All right, I'm gonna give you 1 minute to figure it out, and then I'm just gonna call on one person, okay? Okay, so there's a couple ways you can figure this out with the coins, right? So far, I've seen 2 different ways. Let's see, 25, 35, 45, 50, 51, 52. Awesome job. All right, so I want you to tell us what coins you used to get to 52. Everybody listen.
I used two,
Starts with a Q. Yes. Yes. So he used 2 quarters and 2 pennies. What is the value of your quarters?
25.
And you had 2 of them, which make, yep. And then you used 2 pennies, which is a value of 1. And you used how many? Very good. Okay, so now how did you figure it out? What coins did you use?
I used 2 pennies,
Yep.
10,
And what's the 10 called?
dime.
Yep.
I used a dime, 2 pennies, 1 quarter,
And another
and another dime.
25, 35, 45. And you used a nickel and 2 pennies.
Yeah.
So he used a quarter, which is a value of what? Everybody pay attention, please.
52.
Nope, what's the value of a quarter?
A quarter, 25.
25, and then he used 2 nickels
So it's 10
and 10, which makes 20.
and
And then you
one
used
nickel.
a nickel, yeah.
That's
5.
cents
Two
and 2 pennies.
pennies.
That is 1
Very good.
So 2 cents.
Okay, we've got to move on to the next one. We've got just one more.
Yeah, 10. Oh, this is hard.
You got it.
Done.
Take your time.
Wait, I'm done.
Okay, what coins did you use to get to 17 cents?
I use a nickel that's 5 cents.
A nickel, that's 5. You? Okay, do I have everybody's coins?
Yeah.
Gracias. Okay. All right, now you're gonna work with a partner, okay? And you're gonna do this counting coins worksheet. I'm gonna give you 5 minutes, Okay, I'm gonna set a timer. That's too much time?
No. 3 minutes.
Alright, well, how about this? We'll get to 3 and we'll see where you're at, okay? So you can work with your shoulder partner, okay? Or your group of tables. You don't have to. If you'd like to do it independently, you may do it independently.
But check with your table partner. to
Yeah,
see
make
if
sure
they may
she's
be-
okay.
So we do like
Groups of 2, yeah? Just make sure you're, yeah. Oh, perfect. She's gonna come down here. Make sure you help her, okay?
should I be?
Do this one. See the one that's on the board? So you're gonna count what the value of all these coins is together. So you have, what is that? A coin, but what coin is it? It's the smaller one, which is a dime, and dimes are worth 10, right? So why don't you write 10 cents? So you have 10 cents. 10 cents.
I'm done.
Cinco, uno is.
Wait, me.
25 uno, 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 uno. Yes! Good job! Alright, so then we have. You need help? That's okay. Sure. So we know a quarter is 25, right? And how much is a dime? The small one is 37. What is this coin? A dime is worth how much? 10 cents. So we have 10 cents. 10 cents. Then we have a what?
Nickel.
A nickel, which is what?
5 cents.
5 cents. 5 cents. Plus a penny, which is worth what? 1 cent. To equal what?
31.
It's 31.
See?
10 plus 10 is what?
20.
Plus 5?
30.
10 plus 10 is 20.
25.
25. 25 plus 5 is what?
30.
Plus 1?
31.
31. Okay. How are we doing that? Are we getting close? Okay. All right, now we have a what?
A quarter.
A quarter, and a quarter is worth what? 25. And then we have a bunch of pennies, which are worth what? 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll get there. We don't want to mix up everybody, okay? So let's do it all together. So now do it. Ready? We have 25.
26, 27, 28, 29,
30. Very good. Did everybody get 30?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, let's move to the next one. We have here what?
25.
And it's called a what?
Quarter.
Then we have a what?
Dime.
That's worth what?
10 cents.
And then we have a what?
Nickel.
Which is worth 5. And a penny.
1 cent.
So we have how much? We have 25.
35. 40.
40.
41.
41 cents. Did everybody get 41 cents?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We have what here?
Quarter.
A quarter, and a quarter is worth what?
25.
25. Then we have a what?
Nickel.
And that's worth what?
5 cents.
Then we have a bunch of pennies. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this comes out to 25. 36 cents. Did everybody get 36 cents?
Yes.
How you guys doing over here? Okay, good. All right, so we have a what?
Quarter.
Which is worth what?
25.
Then we have a what?
Nickel.
2 nickels, so 2 nickels are what?
Oh, $10.
10 each.
Cents.
Are they 10 cents?
Yes.
Are these 5 cents?
But if you add 2 of them.
If you add 2, it's 10. Very good. And a penny.
And 10 plus 1 equals 11. So 25 plus 11 equals
36.
no.
36.
41.
So we have 25
41.
Oh,
plus
yeah,
5
47.
41.
plus 5 plus 1. So 25, 30, 35, 36.
Yay!
Let's see. Do we have time for them to listen to the song one more time? Sure? Okay. Alright. Alright, wait, let's be quiet. I need one person to tell me what's something that they learned today that they didn't know before. Yes. You learned all the values of the coins. Very good. It was a good refresher for you guys. Like I said, I still get my nickels and